Hi everybody, I have the latest version of Adobe InDesign CC. I'm up to date, but now I need to get all my Quark files into InDesign. How can I do that? Well, that's of course a Markzware's Q2ID. Q2ID has been on the market for many years, and now we just came out with a Q2ID CC version. Once we purchase that here, and by the way, good news, there's now a 30-day demo version you can try as well. And I'll highlight what that means in a moment here for you. Markzware's Q2ID for CC, InDesign Macintosh or Windows. This is Mac, but Windows process is very similar. Now we're in InDesign CC with the new dark or black interface. Basically, it's the same way that Q2ID has worked since CS4 or whatever it was, where up top in the menu item of InDesign, you'll get the Markzware menu item, and under that you'll get Q2ID. And there you can choose Convert Quark Express Document. It's that easy to use Markzware's Q2ID for CC of InDesign. We'll then get an Open dialog where you can select the Quark Express file you'd like to open. And we can go in and choose one of the Quark files we want to open. For instance, this Flight Check Sales Guide in the German language. You see it converts the file in mere seconds, and we now have everything from that file converted right over into InDesign. You'll see that any missing images show up with a little question mark, and to find those, just like always in InDesign, you have to go in and select one. You can then update all found images. All one, and if we select that one and we hit open, so missing fonts. So now you see we relink 14 missing images, and you see the question marks go away and all the images flow in. So Q2ID gets everything over. You will have to relink the images if the image links have been broken in Quark, or if the folder structure has changed, but you see that's quite an easy process. So the conversion is complete, hassle-free, and virtually you have to do almost nothing to have the perfect conversion. Now we can go in and change version 6.90. We can go in and edit and change things what we want to update or whatever we need to do with this file. But you see the file with all images, fonts, stylization, everything comes right on over, and we can then go ahead and save this file, and it's a regular InDesign file. That's how easy Q2ID is to use. Q2ID is a fabulous plugin for Adobe InDesign. It has a tremendous return on investment, and let me show you what I mean by that. And this was done by an independent third party. And what you'll see is that what you'll read and see is that the ROI, return on investment, is well over 1,000%. With the subscription model, the same applies per year, that every year you're going to get a return on your investment literally time and time and time again. Because if you're just converting 5 documents, that would cost X number, X amount of time and money to work on individually, the total amount of the cost would be fully outweighed, and you would totally justify the price of Q2ID's 199 euros or dollars per year on their new subscription model. Not to mention you get Mac and or Win for the same user, and or for the same user CS6, CS5, CS5.5, or of course, as you just saw, the latest InDesign CC. And it will convert everything: colors, fonts, styles, the whole layout structure, as you saw, images, links, and it's quite simple and easy to use. For more information on Markzware's Q2ID, cruise on over to markzware.com today, and under Products, choose Q2ID. We even have as I mentioned, a Q2ID demo version, which you can click here to obtain a 30-day demo version. You just fill in this form. What's important to note is that the demo download will scramble text and picture paths and watermark the images. In other words, you'll get an idea how it will work, but you will get scrambled text. It'll be totally lost, not like you saw we could correct them if it's just a broken link. It'll be totally lost, and the images will be watermarked, so effectively useless. But you'll get an idea how it works. For years we had no demo for Q2ID, and people still bought it left, right, and center. It's a very popular plugin. So you can try a demo version, you can buy the full version here, and also note our other products like FlightCheck, which we mentioned, pre-flight and package products, or PDF DTP for getting PDF files right back into InDesign. Really, really handy. Hey everybody, this has been David Dilling from Markzware on Markzware's new Q2ID yearly subscription for InDesign CC. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let us know.